J. Scott's The Book on Flipping Houses is a comprehensive guide to successfully buying, renovating, and selling residential properties for profit. Written by an experienced real estate investor, the book provides readers with a step-by-step process to navigate the complexities of house flipping while minimizing risks and maximizing returns. It is designed for both beginners and seasoned investors who want to refine their flipping strategies. Key takeaways. 1. Understanding the house flipping business. Scott begins by explaining the fundamentals of house flipping. He emphasizes treating it as a business rather than a side hustle or hobby. Success requires planning, budgeting, and a commitment to systems and processes. He also highlights the need to align flipping with broader financial and personal goals. 2. Finding and evaluating deals. A significant portion of the book focuses on sourcing profitable properties. Scott outlines strategies for identifying deals, including networking with wholesalers, using MLS listings, and exploring foreclosure auctions. He provides a framework for assessing the potential profitability of a property, emphasizing metrics like the after-repair value, ARV, and the 70% rule. 3. Planning the rehab. Scott details the steps to create a realistic and effective renovation plan. This includes estimating repair costs accurately, prioritizing improvements that offer the highest return on investment, avoiding common pitfalls such as over-improving or underestimating timelines. The book includes tips on hiring reliable contractors and managing them effectively, which is critical to ensuring the project stays on schedule and within budget. 4. Financing flipping projects. Scott discusses various financing options, from traditional loans and private money to hard money lenders. He explains how to evaluate financing deals and select the best option based on project scope, timelines, and personal financial resources. 5. Managing the process. A key strength of the book is its focus on creating systems to streamline the flipping process. Scott shares practical advice on managing every phase of the project, from acquisition to sale. He stresses the importance of staying organized, maintaining detailed records, and continuously evaluating performance to improve future projects. 6. Selling the property. The book offers a guide to marketing and selling flipped properties effectively. Scott covers staging, photography, and pricing strategies to attract buyers and secure quick sales. He also provides insights into working with real estate agents and negotiating offers. Practical features. The book is packed with actionable advice, including checklists, case studies, and examples. Scott's straightforward writing style ensures that even complex concepts like financial modeling and market analysis are accessible to all readers. Audience and applicability. The book on flipping houses is ideal for both new investors eager to break into the house flipping business and experienced flippers looking to refine their processes. Its blend of beginner-friendly instructions and advanced insights makes it a valuable resource for a broad audience. J. Scott's book serves as a definitive guide to the house flipping business, combining practical tools, proven strategies, and real-world insights. Whether you are considering your first flip or seeking to enhance your existing operations, this book equips you with the knowledge to succeed in this competitive real estate niche.